Check, yo, check. Alright, so in this video, guys, we'll be looking at how I DJ in the clubs, or how you can also DJ in the clubs. So I'll be using hot cues and all the other jazz. Also, let's see, I'm not sure how it goes, but yeah, according to my creativity, I'll just go. But yeah, this is usually how my playlist is, and these are the songs which I'll be using when I'm playing live. So the second song, I'm not starting from the first point, I'm starting after the 8 bars or one phrase. So in the other song, I put a loop just so I can explain. So in the other song, I'm starting from again skipping the 8 bars and starting. That is because the drop over here only has one phrase, as in only the 8 bars is there in the drop. And I'm jumping from first drop to second drop. So to make it adjust and, to align the phrases properly, I'm just jumping to the second drop and also starting this from the after the first phrase finishes.
Put your fucking hands up!
So for the other song, I'm not forwarding for 8 bars like I usually did the previous other songs, because this drop is for 2 phrases, that is 16 bars, and this intro is 16 bars.
comprar, você vem cá pra mim. Eu toco pra você, vem cá pra mim. Eu toco pra você, vem cá pra mim.
जिया पे मल तेरे छज्जे के नीचे खड़े हैं हंस गए जैसे दलदल तेरे छज्जे के नीचे ही खड़े हैं बस गए जैसे दलदल
Alright, so I think that's pretty much enough, like a 5 minutes quick tutorial of how I'm DJing. And yeah, I'm using a lot of hot cues, I'm using a lot of other jazz. I also use a lot of other jazz like hot loops and all the jazz, but slowly as I keep uploading more of these short tutorial mix videos of explaining how I'm doing it. Again, if you really want to understand how I'm doing all of these jazz, you need to have an understanding of beats and bars and phrases and different sections in the song. So to learn more about this, you can either keep watching our tutorials, subscribe to our channel, and I'll be talking about it later on in other, or you can check out our previous videos, or you can just keep watching our videos, or you can just join our courses, man. You can join our courses from anywhere, any part of the world. We do give online courses as well as offline courses. So yeah, looking forward to see you guys soon. And if you want to get better at DJing, keep practicing, and keep practicing.